slide this out. Not the actual bracket off, but we're gonna take this little, it looks like an 8. This one off, and I think these two up here should come off. So then we should have 3. So you should be able to pull it out gently, pull it up and back. So I'm trying to keep this. Okay, so you could just leave it propped up here without an issue, but that's going to be on you if it falls over. Alright, next we're going to take this lower bolt off. Take this lower bolt out. Same thing, we'll wiggle the back wheel around and it should just pop out. See, so what I do is I just move the back wheel up and down, up and down. There we go. Should be able to get this shock out. It should pull right out. We got the shock out. I'm about to go take it to Noleen and get a new spring put on it. It's got my fat boy, bro. I need a big spring. Alright, cool. And we're at Noleen J6 Suspension, located, we're in Victorville, right? This is Victorville?
Yeah, Victorville.
Cool, man. Okay, so we got the new spring, higher spring rate for my fat boy self. And then go ahead and put that guy on. Yeah, no doubt, dude. Thanks for helping me out. I've done a spring before, and I don't remember how I did it, but I know it wasn't fun.
Yeah. No, this machine makes it a lot better. The spring press.
Yeah, that's neat. Just like that, man.
There you go.
Hey, we're done. Oh, thanks again, brother. Appreciate it, man.
No problem.
All right, so we're back from Noleen's. We're gonna go ahead and toss this thing back in, baby. Alright, you got that bolt through. Go ahead and tighten the upper bolt to the torque recommended in the manual's instruction as well. And I try to find this little hole. There you go. Alright. Now we're going to go ahead and set our tank down. We just have to try to fit the side of the grooves that are on the front of the tank. Have to slide into the little grooves on the frame. There we go. And then
Daddy, chill. What the hell is even that?
this new spring deuce. Hey, so anyways, my 2020 YZ450F is fat boy proof and ready to rip. Thank you Noleen J6 Suspension for hooking me up with our spring. Make sure you guys hit them up and check them out for any suspension needs. Hey, but anyways, thanks again for watching Frank's Garage. I'm I'm gonna go ahead and set the sag on my bike. If you guys want to see a how to set your sag video, let me know in the comments, and maybe we can set something up with Noleen J6. They'll do a little informative video for us, and yeah, hey, let's go.